everyone, and welcome to a video that's a little something different here, but one that I thought would be fun, and I hope I can figure it all out. It's very complicated. It wouldn't be complicated if we weren't in stay-at-home mode and my mom could just like come over and do the unboxing here with me, but we're in times where we need to distance, and so we're gonna stay distanced. But my mom told me that after seeing my last Stitch Fix video that she signed up for Stitch Fix as well, so I said, would you want to unbox it on my channel? My viewers, some of them love you and I love you, and I think it would just be fun, a little something different than my unboxing. We can see how they did for my mom. Especially starting out in the beginning, Stitch Fix can be a little hit and miss for sure. I'm sure many of you / mostly all of you know what Stitch Fix is by now, but they're an online clothing styling service that you can sign up for. I always have my affiliate link down below if you want to get some money off of your first box, and it'll also earn me a little bit of commission from sending you over there as well. But yeah, she asked for the same stylist that has been styling me the past couple of boxes, and told her that she really liked the things that she picked out for me, and so we'll see if my mom got that same stylist and how she did for my mom. I think my mom had tried out Stitch Fix once before but didn't really love it, and so she never got another one. But either way, I'm just excited to do this video. I'm excited to see what she gets sent. I wish she could be here as well, because she and I wear about the same size, so like then I could try on stuff too. But either way, we're gonna do this through Zoom. Hopefully the quality of it will be okay, just doing a screen recording of that so you can see my mom and I talking back and forth as she unboxes this. Mom doesn't own a camera, so she can't film on her own, but yeah, so that's gonna be that. Like I said, I hope I can piece this video together well so it's not completely horrible for you to watch, but that is that. I'm excited. Let's get on Zoom and see meine Mutti.
Okay.
Yay.
Let me do Cassie. I need lipstick. This is a big deal.
Oh, it's a huge deal. And what lipstick are you putting on?
I'm putting on Dior.
Is that the one I passed on to you?
Yep.
Nice.
It is La Pink.
God, you're wearing the lipstick I gave you. You're wearing a shirt that I gave you. You may have given me life, but I gave you clothing and makeup.
Yes, you did.
Do you have your Stitch Fix box?
Yep, it's right here.
Woohoo! To my viewers watching this, welcome to my mom's library. Don't be fooled, she is indeed at home. That is just my mom. She reads. Yes.
Yes.
And it's wonderful. You can see one of my senior photos back there.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Yep, there it is.
Yep.
Should I go this way more?
Nah, you're good. Are you ready to unbox?
I'm ready to unbox.
Yay!
Right here. I haven't looked at it yet.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna check it out.
So exciting. So now, did you request anything specific?
Yes, I did. I requested mostly tops.
Okay.
No dresses. I told her, I said I wanted Cassie's stylist, who she liked. I can't think of her name right now. Emily.
Yep.
That's about it.
Okay.
I said, tops.
But you filled out your profile so they at least knew what colors you like and don't like and your size and all that?
No, they never asked me for that. Maybe they had my profile in there from before.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll find out.
All right. So I've got my return bag.
That will have your address on it. You film these enough and you find out all of the ways people can see your address.
Oh, I got jeans. Ooh!
Ooh!
Oh my god, I thought I told her no sweaters. 3 of them are sweaters.
Oh no.
It might take time to fine tune this.
It might.
Okay, first off, I've got like a navy blue chamois shirt.
That's navy blue?
Or not navy blue, light blue, a blue wash.
Okay, I was like, dang, my camera is not picking up that color then. Yeah, it looks like there's green and blue mixed in.
Yes, it does. It's kind of a wash out look.
Yeah.
And it has the rolled sleeves.
Nice.
And so, yeah, I think it's cute. We'll see.
Yeah, it looks silky.
No? Canvasy.
Oh, okay.
Linen-y, but it's an XXL, so
Oh.
I don't think it's going to fit. I think it's going to be too big.
Yeah, maybe you're going to need to go on and change your profile.
Well, I think I might.
We'll see.
It's an XXL as well.
Weird. When have you ever been a double XL?
I never have.
No.
It's not really my style anyhow.
Yeah.
I'm not a real, crew neck kind of
Yeah.
girl.
I like the color.
The color is nice, but I just don't know that it's my style. We can try it on.
That's the fun of it.
And then, that's cute. I think it's going to be too big again. XXL. I don't know, honey.
Weird.
Yeah.
I wonder, well, you'll just have to go back into your profile and change the sizing. And thankfully, I mean, if nothing else, if you do like the things, you can always exchange it for a different size.
Right. So this has kind of the, it's kind of wide and has kind of the drop, what do you call those?
Bat wings.
The bed. Yes, but it's a tie-dye type thing and I like it.
Yeah, no, that's cute. Is it like a tan camel or is it more of a yellow?
It's a tan.
Okay.
Definitely a tan.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it looks cute.
Yeah, and this is from Vince. Vince.
Camel toe! Yes! My favorite!
I didn't know if I could say that word on here.
I think so. For anyone, I'm sure most people don't know, but anytime I see the brand name, Vince Camuto, is it?
Mm-hmm.
I just can't help but read it camel toe.
Yep.
So
Cassie has done it for years.
Yeah, I feel like it's a fancy brand, but I can't ever picture it as a fancy brand in my mind because it's a camel toe.
Right, yep. And then here's a sweatshirty. Looks big.
Is it a double XL?
Yes. Blue-gray. It's so soft.
Oh, so much of Stitch Fix stuff is so soft.
It is. And it's kind of just a plain sweatshirt, but it's just very soft, and I think you could dress it up a little.
You said it's gray?
It's black.
It's black, okay.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yep. I couldn't tell if it was like a navy or what, but...
Yeah, it's black.
Okay.
Well, we'll see. I mean, I think you could add jewelry and look really, cute casual.
Mm-hmm.
They said I wanted was tops casual.
Okay.
So, and then I got some, Liverpool jeans.
Nice.
6 pull-on. I love pull-ons.
Nice.
And they're cute.
Yeah. I think I've gotten 1 or 2 pairs of Liverpool from Stitch Fix, and they're so comfy.
Yeah, you gave me yours, in fact, but they're still too small for me.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't been able to wear them yet, but it's okay. They're great. I love pull-out pants.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. Especially when I got to run to the bathroom. Look down. All right.
Well, at least they got the pant size right.
Yes, they did.
Woohoo.
I'll be back.
Woohoo.
So you just, right?
Yeah, I'll be here.
I'll be very fast. Oh, yeah, this is big.
It looks big on you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's too big. I mean, it's very soft. It'd be a nice, black sweatshirt type thing, but
Yeah.
it's big.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't know if I would change it.
Yeah, it's not special enough.
No, we'll see how much it costs, but
Yeah.
So.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I can't press it.
I mean, like I said, you could, but you would need to be prepared for a change in careers.
This is cute.
Too big.
Too big.
But I think that would be really cute if you just sized down.
Right. I mean, it's, comes to a good mid-hip length.
Yeah, it's nice and comfy looking.
No, I think it's cute. It's casual, and I think I just want to look tidy and nice, but casual.
Yeah, I mean, it's comfy, but you would still look professional. I mean, wear it with a nice necklace or earrings or whatever, and...
Well, yeah, especially since I'm working from home right now.
Mm-hmm.
Then maybe I'm motivated to get out of my pajamas every day.
Well, yeah, it's nice when your real clothes feel like pajamas.
This one isn't so big.
Okay. But yeah, it doesn't look like your style.
No, it's not.
I would wear it.
You would. You definitely would, but it's just not my...
No.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good color, and the neck is good.
Yeah, it's not too...
It's not as... I thought it was going to be up a lot higher.
Yeah.
Maybe it would be if you sized the right way, but...
Right. But yeah, I mean, it's just nothing on me.
No. I mean, it's fine. It's not, like, ugly. It's just not you.
I'm just sitting here thinking, depending on how much the jeans cost, do I need them?
Right. I feel like Liverpool jeans, they're usually in the $70-$80 range.
Oh, okay. So here's the shirt.
That looks cute on you.
I mean, it's just I think it could be a size smaller.
Yes.
And, they fit good.
No, they look like they fit you really good.
Yeah.
Wow. Are they a good length?
What's that? Yes, they're perfect. Yeah, they are good on the ankle.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah. So, but yeah, they're good.
Cool.
A little room at the ankles.
Yeah.
It didn't work. All right. So.
And now the best part, we get to look at prices.
Okay.
Oh.
Where is it?
You don't have a hello?
Oh, here it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hello.
That is such a feel good.
Right? I love it. So now you have to read what they said.
In here?
Yep.
Oh, yes. Your style delivered.
Yes.
Hey there, Becky. I got Holly.
Okay.
Which is fine. Hope this little box brightens your day. My name is Holly, and I'm happy to be styling you today. I know you requested Emily, but I have reviewed your preferences on Style Shuffle, and I'm excited to share these specially curated pieces. Today you requested casual work-from-home pieces, so I included beautiful and cozy selections that will feel great all day.
Nice.
Comfortable fit, lightweight material, easy to match. Yeah, and the Liverpool jeans, because they are amazing pull-on waist, and I agree.
Mm-hmm.
And she'd love to hear my feedback.
Yay!
So, yeah. It works.
And now the big reveal.
Oh, okay. I don't know what price category I'm in. Maybe medium?
Okay.
The jeans are $78, like you said.
God, I'm good.
Yep. And the mint sweater was $58.
Okay.
Didn't like it enough. Not bad.
Nope.
The black sweatshirt was $70. I wouldn't pay $70 for that.
It's too plain.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure I could get some. It's at just a regular discount place for much less.
Yeah.
It's camel toe. The boat neck pullover, the tie-dye, $78.
Okay. It's expensive, but it's cute.
Yeah, and I know, I mean, that is what their stuff does go for.
Yeah.
It's, yeah, I'll have to think about that one.
Mm-hmm.
And Cranberry button-down is $64.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm. So that's not bad.
Yeah.
And they call it gray.
Weird.
I see light blue and light green, but...
That's what I see, too.
So that's it. I'm not sure what I'll do. The only I'm really considering are the jeans, which, do I need them? I have 2 pairs of pull-ons right now already.
I guess you'll just have to go and see if they're worn and torn and...
Yeah.
Different wash.
One pair is too big.
Okay.
I always but the only thing I would consider is the Vince Camuto one.
Mm-hmm.
That was cute, and I
No, I liked that on you.
Weight, and so that would be 78 if they just would exchange it even Steven.
Yep.
So yeah, it was a okay fix.
Yeah.
But we gotta get it all dialed in and.
Yep, that's right.
So.
Cool. Woohoo!
Fun, Lissy.
Yeah, thanks for joining us here on Thrift Thick today, Mama Thrift.
Yes, thank you. And until next time. That's all I know.
My mom hates me.
No, I don't. Hey, no, it's not the hey, hi.
No, that's yours.
I don't remember.
No worries. I'll do a proper outro on my own.
Okay.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. All right. Bye. Alrighty, there we go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that. That was fun for me anyways. I enjoyed seeing what they sent my mom. I certainly agreed with her on most of the pieces. I liked the blouse as well on her, the button-up. I think she should keep that. I thought that looked cute on her, but I mean, if she's not gonna wear it, she should not buy it. But yeah, the jeans and that Vince camel toe sweater. I think that was a mix of camel toe and sweaty balls. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the audio quality and stuff wasn't complete garbage. It's a webcam recording, and hopefully in the future, if my mom keeps up with Stitch Fix, the stay inside orders will be over and we can actually get together and film together and just be a bit more professional looking here in an actual video rather than a recorded web chat. But definitely let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see my mom unbox some more Stitch Fix stuff. I know a lot of you guys enjoy it when my mom and I go thrifting. Hopefully we will also be able to go thrifting soon in the future once things are back open and we can be, touching hangers and clothes racks and stuff like that. Right now just seems a bit unsafe, and as I said, I don't think thrift stores are open right now. So also do that just by giving the video a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. Become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. Until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!